What's up, guys? So I am currently leaving to go to Micro Center. I have to return a hard drive that we bought yesterday. Picked up a PATA drive instead of a SATA drive. Don't have PATA connections in the desktop that I'm working on right now, so I gotta go return that. I think I'm probably just going to buy a solid state, a cheap one, just to stick in it, just to get it running. Other than that, I believe my new processor is coming in the mail today. So if I get that tonight, I'm going to be doing the rebuild of my PC that I built a couple days ago, putting it in the new case, new processor, and all that. So other than that, it's just going to be just a lazy day. I got to go back to work tomorrow. I've been off for 6 days, so it should be a good day.
What is you crazy mother?
So I just left Micro Center. I purchased a 128 gig solid state PNY and the internal mounting kit for it. Hopefully this computer does boot up and run. The motherboard booted and went to its BIOS, so it should be good to go. Everything was recognized. It just needed a hard drive and an operating system. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna get this stuff in there, and I'm gonna see what it does. Well, guys, my new processor arrived. Let's go ahead and see if these guys even packaged it correctly or if they just threw it in a bin and tossed it this way. That's a good sign. It's double packed. Package out of a box. That's smashed. Here we go. No, they went through the trouble of putting it in a static bag, which is good. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but this one I believe is an engineering sample. So I'm going to pop mine out and hook it up and see what goes on. Alright guys, it's kind of hard to tell, but it is running at a little over 4 gigahertz. It is a 975 Extreme. Temperatures are mid 70s, low 70s on all cores. So it's running pretty good. Alright guys, well this is going to be the last time that this computer is running in this case. The next time it boots up, it will be in its new home. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get the disassembly started in this case, and then we're going to get the reassembly in the new case. As soon as I'm done with this one, we'll go ahead and start with the power supply, get everything unplugged, and we're going to go from there. Alright guys, so it is slowly coming back together. I don't know what my camera is doing. It keeps cutting video on and off, so I'm doing the best I can to keep this running the whole time. Next, I just need to get the hard drives in, and I should be ready to boot it up. What's up, everybody? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel and watching my YouTube videos today. Before you go, please hit that subscribe button, leave me some likes, drop me some comments, and until next time, guys, have a good one.